Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am in front of my desk again today, and that is because it is time for another desk reorganizing, cleaning, decluttering, redecorating video. It has been almost, I think, 9 months since the last one that I filmed, which is crazy because I didn't know it's been so long already. But recently I've just been looking at my desk and I've been thinking, wow, this stresses me out. It is always a mess. You can't really tell from here because of the way I have my camera angled, but my desk is even messy right now. It's messy on the bottom shelves, it's messy underneath it. Everything is a mess. The pegboard is a mess. I need to redo that. Everything is kind of just like clutter right now. I am going to be cleaning it, reorganizing it, probably redecorating it a little bit. I'll probably be redecorating my pegboard or reorganizing it, which might also appear in another video that you guys will see. So if you see the same clips in this video and that video, it's because I filmed it for both. I seriously need to redo my desk area so badly. I will show you guys what it looks like here in a minute, but it's too much. It's too much for me. It's too much to look at. So I thought, since you guys enjoy these cleaning, reorganizing videos so much, I would film it for you guys and take you guys along with me the process of cleaning this disaster. Maybe I'm being a little dramatic about it because I'm just over it. I'll show you what I'm dealing with. From here you can't really tell how crazy it is because this is just like the top of my desk. It's a little messy because I've just been too lazy to put things away. I also have these new like trays that I got that I want to put out on my desk, so I'll probably do that today as well. Up here isn't too bad. This got a little disorganized and some things got moved around up here, but it's nothing crazy. Where the main issue is my pegboard, because you can tell that I've just been shoving stuff up here that's not even supposed to be up here. And then down below, what is going on down here? I did actually reorganize this recently. I don't want it to stay like this because I don't really like how this looks because it is messy. And then down here is also a disaster, which this will probably somewhat stay the same, just look nicer. So these two shelves are like the main issue, and then also this area right here. Hopefully I can get this whole area cleaned up today. Now that I've showed you what my desk's current situation is, I'm just gonna start clearing off the top and like cleaning the main bit of the desk because I feel like cleaning is the best thing to do first. Underneath my desk so I can just get all of this out of the way, and then I can start like focusing on the actual desk. I just finished like cleaning underneath my desk, but now I'm gonna work on this shelf. I think I'm gonna make this shelf focused on these plushies, and I know they don't really fit into my aesthetic, but it's Stray Kids, so I don't really care. Felix, Han, Chan, and Lino here, Hyunjin up here, Changbin and Sungmin over there, and then once I get my IN one in the mail, it'll also go over here. Hopefully I can do that. I might still like include some pink. I'm gonna work on this shelf now just because I think this will be the easiest thing to organize because I don't even know what I'm gonna do with my pegboard. Maybe things will change, maybe things will stay the same. I'm not 100% sure yet, so we'll just see. I just finished this shelf. it turned out super cutie. It's not what I originally wanted. Like I said, I wanted to try and make it like a Stray Kids plushie shelf, but I was like, that looks a little strange, so I just decided to go with this, and I think it looks so cute. And I still have these 2 plushies on here, so kind of did it. But since I'm down here already, I'm just gonna work on this and get it done with, because this is what I am dreading the most. This is like a basket of freebies right here, or freebies I received or freebies I have for people. It's just like freebies, things I've gotten. I think I'm gonna put it into 2 baskets so it's not like overflowing like this. We shall see. I think it would look nicer because things are like squished in here, so. Is now done. I didn't film the majority of it because this took me a lot longer than I thought it was going to take me, so I stopped filming. Otherwise the footage would have been like 40 minutes long, and I just finished it off camera. But this is what it looks like, and I think it looks a lot better than it does before, and I think it's a smart thing to put like those back there because it looks less cluttered if I can hide it like that. So I'm really liking how this is looking. I also really like this. This is so cute. I love this. And now I think I'm gonna organize this bit right here and then move on to my pegboard. This is what I decided to do up here. It might change just because I don't really know how I feel about this, and because everything that was up here is now down there, I wasn't really quite sure what to put up here. Now I'm gonna work over on my pegboard and this area because there's some things I want to change to this area. Before I get started, I just went and pulled some things out of different places of my room of stuff that I have to decorate this with, and like my room in general, but that's gonna be for a different video in the future. Yes, in the future, I mean obviously. Let me show you the things I pulled out. So the first things are a bunch of different prints of Hyunjin, and just some like other stuff that I might want to put up here somewhere. Pulled out some photos. One of me and Hyunjin, and then this blank one I have of Hyunjin. And then I also pulled out some album inclusions and merch from Stray Kids. So as you can tell, I have a bunch of keychains, and like I have this Uni here, a bunch of photo card holders, just a bunch. So I have a lot of options to pick from of what I want to hang up here. So let's see what I end up doing. I finished my pegboard and it looks so cutie. It's so pink. It's so fabulous. My camera doesn't pick it up as well as I'd like it to. It's much darker on camera, but it is very colorful and vibrant in person. Now it's time to do my desk and then I will be done. I don't have too much to do here. I just want to take some things off and exchange some stuff for other stuff. So I'm gonna do that now, but I need to clear this mess off first. Okay guys, I am finally done cleaning my desk. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take, but I am so happy with the results. Everything is so pink and cutesy and very Ğᴢ. There's a lot more Ğᴢ on my desk than there was before I redid it. I hope you guys are enjoying this room transformation series. I am almost done with it. I just have a few more things to do in my room and then I will be done for good, which I'm so excited about because I can't wait until my room's like all complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know down below in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!